Good day, dear teachers. For today's video, I'm going to discuss the official reporting date of teachers for school year 2024-2025. Before we start, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Teacher V. DepEd Order Number 003, Series 2024, sets July 29, 2024 as the official first day of classes for school year 2024-2025. This will be the official first reporting day for teachers for this school year. For school year 2023-2024, the teacher's vacation is from June 1 to July 28, 2024, requiring teachers to report to schools from July 1 to July 28 while they are still on their vacation may violate their right. However, teachers may still be required to report and render services on days without classes in the exigency of public service. Equivalent vacation service credits by DepEd Order Number 53, Series 2003 shall be given to teachers required to report for work. Exigency of public service refers to a situation where service is urgently needed and where any delay in its execution and delivery will adversely affect the outcome of the service to clients and its effective and efficient delivery. In such cases, requests to require the attendance of public school teachers during vacation must satisfy the following conditions. Number one, a request letter is submitted by the school head to school's division office. Number two, sufficient justification is provided to establish that exigency of public service exists. And Number three, the request is duly approved by the school's division superintendent or SDS. For more details, including the full list of activities planned for this school year, watch my video about DepEd Order Number 3, Series 2024. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Teacher V. Bye!